Welcome to Yoga Beyond the Studio Retreats. We bring you accessible and approachable yoga as you travel the world with us. Just like our yoga classes, our retreats have something for everyone. So whether you're in it for the food, the yoga, or the excursions, you're gonna have the trip of a lifetime.
What I really love about our yoga retreats is that we always make it a point to match the practice to the person who's doing it. The yoga that we want to have at Yoga Beyond the Studio is the kind that accepts people and lets everyone truly ease into it in a way that feels right for them.
We truly believe that yoga can be approachable and beneficial for every single person. So every retreat is really different because the yoga that we teach is going to depend on the people who join the experience.
The philosophy of this company is that anybody can do it. And you do what fits your body, not making your body do something different. So if you're worried about the yoga part, not on this trip.
Each vacation that we host at Yoga Beyond the Studio is completely different. Whether you're joining us in the jungles of Belize, or sipping wine with us in the countryside of Italy, or experiencing an authentic Greek dance lesson, you're really going to have the experience of a lifetime.
The great thing about doing a retreat with Shana and her team is that you don't have to worry about a thing. She finds the best culturally immersive experiences, the best places to stay, so you don't have to think about a thing. All you do is get on the plane and come and just book it.
We've been on excursions, we've toured the island, which has just been absolutely amazing. We've had from fantastic gastro experience. The food has been amazing, the wine has been good, the company has been excellent, and the yoga every day, there's been something different. So you've learned something new every day.
I think this yoga retreat experience is different from a normal vacation because you're together with a group of people and you meet for the first time, but as the week progresses, you become family. You build a community, you build connections and interpersonal relationships with people that otherwise you may not meet.
When was the last time you did something new for the first time? And I would have to say on this retreat, it was almost every day. I went ziplining, cave tubing, snorkeling, had a mud massage, all for the first time.
This yoga retreat is different than the ones that I've done in the past because it adds that little sprinkle of adventure to the week. And it's really great because we get the relaxation, we get the yoga, we get kind of all the benefits that come with that, but we also have a great adventure.
From the yoga to the food we ate, to the companionship, to the excursions we did, I've loved every minute of it. And I would do it again in a heartbeat.
Yoga retreats with Yoga Beyond the Studio are so special. It's an amazing opportunity to go on an adventure, to experience culture, to see the world, but also build something for yourself, to experience yoga for yourself, to empower yourself, to breathe, to move, to connect, and it's the best way you could travel.